slowly from visual model WordPress themes, and today's video gonna learn one of the best resources if you are a graphic designer, or if you're a photographer, or if you are working into some marketing campaign that needs .png files or files with transparent backgrounds, all into a simple, fast, effective and free method. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to Google and type PNG EIMG, just like this, okay? .com. You're gonna be able to find this site right here. Here is the site. You can search for the wherever you are looking for, okay? Or you can use the animals, nature, fruits, just like this, okay? For example, grave. And like this, you can download the image into a very high quality, okay? And with transparent background. All you have to do is click to download and the image is gonna be yours. It's completely free, okay? Let's try cats maybe. And there is an expensive and a very expensive library, okay? So there is a lot of images, all with transparent backgrounds. Simple, right? And of course you can search into this bar in the case that we're looking for something more specific. We have some car wheels. There's a lot of things right here that you can explore and use on our designs, okay? And if you like some image, for example, let me find someone. This one seems okay. You can see the image and download the .png and receive all of the information about the image as you wish. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!